If I gave you two choices today, a flashy startup with a cool logo, viral social media posts, and the promise of becoming the next billion-dollar company, or a boring business that most people never talk about, which one would you choose? Most people pick the exciting option because our brains are wired to chase excitement. We love stories about young entrepreneurs becoming rich overnight. We love hearing about apps, crypto, AI startups, and revolutionary ideas. But here's something strange. Many of the people quietly becoming millionaires are not building the next Facebook. They're not inventing new technology, and they're definitely not going viral on social media. Instead,
They're running businesses so boring that most people scroll past them without a second thought. Businesses that solve simple, everyday problems. Businesses that people need, whether the economy is good or bad. Businesses that aren't exciting, but make a lot of money. Today, we're going to look at 6 boring businesses that have created thousands of millionaires around the world. And by the end of this video, you'll understand one powerful lesson about wealth that most people learn far too late. One of the biggest mistakes people make about money is believing that wealth comes from innovation. But in reality, wealth often comes from repetition. Think about it. A person might buy a fancy new gadget once every few years, but they buy groceries every week. They pay for cleaning, they pay for repairs, they pay for transportation, they pay for basic services again and again and again. The richest business opportunities are often hidden inside ordinary human behavior. The problem is that boring businesses don't create exciting headlines. Nobody brags about owning a waste collection company. Nobody posts motivational quotes about running a laundromat. Nobody dreams about becoming the king of storage units. But bank accounts don't care about excitement. They care about cash flow. And that's where these businesses shine. Business number 1, self-storage units. Imagine someone moving to a new city. Their apartment is too small. They have extra furniture, old boxes, sports equipment, family belongings. Where do those things go? Into storage. Self-storage businesses make money by renting empty space. That's it. No complicated technology, no huge staff, no constant product development. Just space. And here's the interesting part. People often keep paying for storage for years. Sometimes the monthly fee becomes so automatic that they barely think about it. This creates recurring income. The owner gets paid month after month while maintaining relatively low operating costs. It's not glamorous, but it works. Business number 2, laundromats. Let's be honest, nobody dreams about laundry, but everyone needs clean clothes. That's exactly why laundromats can be so profitable. The business model is simple. People pay to use washing machines and dryers. The owner earns money every day from a basic human need. The beautiful part is that demand doesn't disappear. People need clean clothes during recessions. They need clean clothes during booms. They need clean clothes all year long. This is what smart investors call a necessity business. Not exciting, just reliable. And reliability often beats excitement when it comes to building wealth. Business number 3, waste management. Now let's talk about one of the least glamorous businesses on earth. Garbage. Nobody wants to think about it, but everyone produces it. Homes create waste. Restaurants create waste. Offices create waste. Factories create waste. The world cannot function without waste collection. That's what makes this industry powerful. The service is essential. Customers keep paying because they have no choice. And businesses that solve unavoidable problems often become extremely valuable. People may ignore the industry, But investors understand its importance because every week the trucks keep moving and the money keeps flowing. Business number 4, car washes. Most people see a car wash and think it's just a small local business. But many successful entrepreneurs see something different. They see recurring customers. A car gets dirty again, and again, and again. Unlike many products that people buy once, cleaning services create repeat demand. A customer who loves a clean vehicle may visit multiple times every month. Some car washes even offer subscription memberships. Customers pay automatically, whether they visit once or 10 times. That's a powerful business model. The goal isn't finding new customers every day. The goal is keeping existing customers coming back. And boring businesses often do this exceptionally well. Business number 5, pest control. Imagine waking up and discovering termites in your house, or rats in your kitchen, or cockroaches everywhere. Suddenly, pest control becomes a very important service. People don't call pest control because it's fun. They call because they have a problem they want solved immediately. This creates something every business owner wants: urgent demand. When customers have an urgent problem, price becomes less important. They care more about getting results. That's why many pest control companies generate strong profits and long-term customer relationships. Again, not exciting, but extremely valuable. Business number 6, commercial cleaning companies. Every office building, every hospital, every shopping center, every school needs cleaning. Every single day. Most people never notice commercial cleaning companies because if they're doing their job correctly, everything simply looks clean. But behind the scenes, many of these businesses generate impressive income. Why? Because businesses sign recurring contracts. Instead of chasing individual customers every day, cleaning companies often secure long-term agreements. This creates predictable revenue. And predictable revenue is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in business. The deeper insight. Now, here's the lesson that connects all 6 businesses. They all share one thing. They solve boring problems. And that's exactly why they're successful. Most people chase opportunities that look exciting. But exciting opportunities attract massive competition. Everyone wants to open the trendy business. Everyone wants to launch the viral startup. Everyone wants to find the next big thing. Meanwhile, the boring opportunities get ignored. And that's where smart entrepreneurs quietly build wealth. Think of money like water. Water doesn't flow toward excitement. Water flows toward value. The businesses we discussed provide value every single day. People need storage. People need laundry. People need waste collection. People need cleaning. People need pest control. People need car washes. The services are ordinary, but the demand is extraordinary. And that's the difference most people miss. Millionaires often don't build wealth by doing extraordinary things. They build wealth by doing ordinary things consistently, year after year, customer after customer, payment after payment. Practical takeaway. So, what should you learn from this? The lesson isn't that you must start one of these exact businesses. The lesson is to stop judging opportunities by how exciting they sound. Instead, ask better questions. Does this solve a real problem? Do people need it regularly? Will customers keep paying for it? Can demand survive during difficult economic times? The more yes answers you get, the stronger the opportunity becomes. Because wealth is usually built on usefulness, not popularity, not hype, not excitement. Usefulness. And the more essential the problem, the more valuable the solution becomes. Practical takeaway. So, what should you learn from this? The lesson isn't that you must start one of these exact businesses. The lesson is to stop judging opportunities by how exciting they sound. Instead, ask better questions. Does this solve a real problem? Do people need it regularly? Will customers keep paying for it? Can demand survive during difficult economic times? The more yes answers you get, the stronger the opportunity becomes. Because wealth is usually built on usefulness, not popularity, not hype, not excitement. Usefulness. And the more essential the problem, the more valuable the solution becomes. Here's something worth remembering. The world celebrates flashy success stories, but most fortunes are built quietly, behind warehouse doors, inside storage facilities, in cleaning companies, in service businesses that nobody talks about. While everyone else is searching for the next big opportunity, millionaires are often solving small problems that exist every single day. That's the secret. The boring business isn't boring to the person collecting the profits, because at the end of the day, customers don't pay for excitement. They pay for solutions. And the people who consistently provide those solutions are usually the ones who win. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple lessons on money psychology, investing, wealth building, and financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to Asset Avenue Club, because the path to wealth is usually much simpler than most people think. And sometimes, the most boring opportunities create the most extraordinary results.